I'll explain also as we go along. The first 10 minutes of a case are the most important. Why? Because it's in those 10 minutes that you get the overview. What does an overview mean? Let's see. The overview is, what's the problem? What is the problem is not always what the patient says, not always. The patient could have a lot of many symptoms. It's choking here, it's burning there, it's hitting here, it's spasm here, and all that kind of stuff. Well, the problem is hysteria. The problem is hypochondriasis. It could be, not sure. So this is the impression you have to have. What is the problem? Or it's a migraine, or it's a cancer, whatever it is. Then who is the person who has the problem? What is the kind of person who has the problem? So this loosely based on something written by Boninghausen in his lesser writings. And he quoted a Latin thing which says, quis quid ubi quibus auxilis cur quo modo quando. The hexameter says, who is it who has the problem? Since when is the problem? Why is the problem? What excited it? When did it start? What are the main modalities of the problem? What is the pace of the problem? Is it rapidly going up, down, steady? What is the depth of the problem? How intense, how deep, how destructive is it? What is the level of the problem? Is it found at a fact level, at an emotion level, at a delusional level? Since when and how has it progressed? So this is the overview that's very essential, because it's based on this that you're going to start with your case taking.